Hello trenders! If you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Now I'm delightfully to share with you my superfood drink. This is rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory factors. The ingredients are 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. You're gonna have some gram of your turmeric powder, any brand of your choice. A half tablespoon of this, or make it 1 tablespoon if you like it. If you want more turmeric, it's your choice. Turmeric is rich in antioxidant and antiviral factors that keep your immune system healthy and away from any disease. Now, you can add 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's your choice. You can add honey or brown sugar. Next, put 4 tablespoons of hot water into the mixture. And I'm going to use electric mixer. If you don't have, you can use any wire whisk. While mixing, make sure that you fill up with bubbles to make the mixtures fluffy and fruity. Continue doing this process until you get your desired textures. Let's have some trivia questions. Did you know that turmeric has been used in Asia for thousands of years and is a major part of Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and herbal medicine? Medical research, turmeric and curcumin, one of its constituents, have been studied in numerous clinical trials for the various human disease and condition. For centuries, turmeric is used to treat such as breathing problem. Lately, turmeric has been touted to be as a superfood that can fight cancer, ease depression, and more. Oh, now you have knowledge, right? Why I make this superfood drink. Now let's continue. I prefer to use a low-fat milk or skim milk, but it's up to you, it's your choice. You can put block ice or crushed ice to have an intense cold feeling. Now, pour your turmeric mixture into your glass with filled of refreshing cold milk. Oh, very simple, right? Oh yes, we're not yet done. We will have some punch of cinnamon, sprinkled with cinnamon powder. Did you know that cinnamon has also medical properties? It helps in the condition of respiratory illness, digestive problems, and gynecological issues. Cinnamon also shown the most promise in controlling blood sugar for the diabetes person. Oh, this one is good. Cinnamon is good for weight loss. And other benefits of cinnamon is good in Alzheimer's, for HIV, for multiple sclerosis, chronic wounds. So what you waiting for? Grab a dash of cinnamon powder. But always reminded, too much is dangerous. And now we're done. Now it's your turn to make your own superfood turmeric drink. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. For latest and updates, please like and subscribe to this channel, OFW Trends. Thank you.